So today's exotic fruit hunt has taken us to the Rastafari Herbal Gardens in the hills of Retrieve, Westmoreland. So let's get to it.
You excited?
Yeah, me excited, you know. Yeah, we're going raw.
Hey,
We're going raw. Hey,
we're going raw.
We're going raw. Hey, at Rastafari Herbal Gardens.
In today's episode, we feature Granadilla.
Alright, let's see how this thing tastes.
This one looks well, right?
As a matter of fact, the tasting won't happen here, but we're gonna
That's
pick
fine.
one for fruit, this one, and we're gonna pick one for cooking.
Oh,
Yeah, this one up there. You see, we are a bit late because I see two of them already that eat out. There was one of them. One is up there. You see the hole in it?
yeah, I see the hole.
That's right. This one really works for us.
Yeah.
Wow. The vine looks like a yam vine though.
Yeah, and you know, this is actually something you can kind of cut it by a joint and stick it and you catch back and you have an extra.
Oh.
It's 10 times faster than waiting
I'm
for the
waiting to
seed.
see.
This one looks okay.
This one is for, you know what I wanted to show you, this one up there. You see
Right.
how the
Oh,
insects
yeah.
go eat it out? The fruit bat or the rat. Can you capture it?
Yeah, bat and rat.
No.
Them-
You see
they're vegetarian, I would say.
Go right to the end of the stick.
The rats and the bats eat out the fruits.
This one over there too. But that's something that makes me actually proud, you know, when I see that nature likes what I do. I feel like I really have a purpose here, you know. It's not just like taking up space.
That's what enough people do.
Look here. Heavy. Yeah. Already.
So who's gonna carry that one?
Oh,
This one will be fully ripe soon.
which one?
This one.
But this one.
This one we're gonna cook.
Oh, okay.
They can cook like so. This would also ripen, but we can also give you a taste in cooking. This one will definitely,
So,
yeah.
okay, about how long before it is ready?
We're gonna turn my kitchen loaded because I have a ripe one
Oh, okay.
in the kitchen that you guys can taste today.
Alright, cool.
But we have to carry those up.
Yeah, man, cool. This is the
Granadilla. Granadilla.
This is full, just full. This one
Is
is
it ripe?
well ripe,
And
ready to use.
Yeah. Are you going to use this one to cook, you say?
No, this one we're gonna go
make
to
it-
this stage and we pick a younger one to cook.
Okay.
We're gonna taste the Granadilla. It tastes like something I've had before.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out.
It's related to passion fruit.
Passion.
Yeah. Some people say it's nicer than passion fruit
It is.
and it sure give you more yield.
It is. I like it. It's
sweeter.
definitely similar to the passion fruit. The seeds are bigger,
Yeah.
and the flesh comes off easier. I like this. I like it.
I like it.
All right. We'll give you some more facts on the Granadilla. I love it.
Yep.
The botanical name for the Granadillas is Passiflora ligularis. They are native to South and Central America and have been growing wild since ancient times. The vines thrive in elevations between 3,000 and 8,850 feet, especially in the Andes Mountains, and were introduced in the early 19th century to regions within the United States, Asia, and the Caribbean. The rind is smooth, firm, and thick, initially green when young, darkening to an orange-yellow hue with maturity. Granadilla is known by many names and spellings, including sugar fruit, sweet granadilla, 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 and Granada, China. Granadillas are highly favored for their sweet tropical taste and have become an exotic flavoring, popularly incorporated into cocktails and desserts. Granadillas are best suited for raw applications as their sweet flavor and smooth, crunchy pulp is showcased when consumed fresh out of hand. The brittle rind can be sliced or broken in half by hand, and the pulp can be scooped with a spoon and eaten raw. Granadilla pulp can be mixed into fruit salads or incorporated into dressings. In addition to culinary applications, Granadilla pulp can be juiced and strained, mixing the sweet liquid into fruit drinks, cocktails, and smoothies. In Peru, Granadilla is frequently combined with orange or tangerine juice to create a sweet and tart breakfast juice. The pulp can also be made into jams and marmalades or used to flavor ice cream, sorbets, pies, pavlova, and cake frosting. Granadillas pair well with strawberries, blueberries, tangerines, blood oranges, and limes. The fruits will keep 1 to 2 weeks when stored at room temperature and 2 to 4 weeks when stored in the refrigerator. Granadillas are a good source of vitamins A and C, antioxidants that strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, and boost collagen production within the skin. The fruits are also high in fiber to regulate the digestive tract and provide phosphorus to assist in bone growth. So we've come to the end of another Raw Escapades. Leave a comment and let us know if you learned anything new. Thanks for watching.